how to delete Google search history. So if you want to delete your Google search history, then first open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the upper right corner which has that three dots icon, and now you can simply go for history, and under history you can again click on history, and here you will have clear browsing data on the left side. Click on clear browsing data, and here if you want to delete your browsing history, then simply choose your browsing history and not these. So if you select these, then your images and your files or your cookies and other site data will also be deleted. But if you want to delete all of that, then you can click on these boxes. But if you only want to delete your browsing history, then click on this box and then go for the drop down bar and choose all time, and now click on clear data, and that's it. That's how you clear your data, or that's how you clear your browsing history on your Google Chrome. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.